Hi, this is Jason Warner, Pacific Wastewater Optimization. Today, I want to talk to you about an application of the methods and technology in Olympia, Washington. And so in Olympia, they get a lot of rain. The Olympia plant is bound both by water and other industrial areas, so it's very difficult to grow, and they needed more primary clarifier capacity. So I want to kind of give you the punchline and then go tell the story. The solids capture efficiency was improved from 42% at 3,000 gallons per day per square foot, which is a relatively high loading to start with. But through the application of the Baffle systems, the plant was able to achieve 60% removal at 6,000 gallons per day per square foot. So I want to, just kind of paint that picture of a pretty congested industrial area bound by water, and so there's not, it's challenging for this plant to expand its footprint. So we have our primaries here. Here's a close-up aerial, and just I look at a lot of plants basically every day. And this ratio of just the footprint of the primary clarifiers to the footprint of the secondary clarifiers starts the conversation with a challenge. And so the goal was to get a lot more out of this footprint of the plant. So this is data from before the improvements. And so you can see at low flows, at average flows, performance was decent. And this is similar to a lot of plants. And when you talk to plant managers, they say, hey, how are your primaries performing? And they say, great. And for the most part, they're right. What happens, though, a lot of times as the flows increase, internal hydraulics start becoming problematic and the performance deteriorates. So in this case, I want to just kind of keep a couple data points in mind. At this 3,000 gallons per day per square foot, we're looking at about 42% solids capture efficiency. And the performance is degrading relatively rapidly. And so this is a picture after the improvements. And so again, we go to that 3,000 gallons per day per square foot, that the former performance was around here. Now we're able to double the surface overflow rate and pick up solids capture in excess of 60% solids capture efficiency. So these are those two graphs side by side. Again, going from 3,000 gallons per day per square foot at 42% up to in excess of 60% at 6,000 gallons per day per square foot. Now, 6,000 gallons per day per square foot is getting into a real great realm, high rate primary clarifiers. And I think that ballasted solutions probably can push you out into the 7,000 or 7,500. But this technology is relatively simple, relatively low impact on operation. I think I've talked to some clients who even forget that it's there, that it's under the water and just does its thing. And so you can get a lot of the benefits of your high rate clarification without the complexity of introducing ballast and polymer and having to recollect that sand and not have it show up in your digester. So I want to recap the results again. Great improvements from 42 to 60% solids capture while doubling the surface overflow rate. If these results are interesting to you, if you'd like to see whether this technology, these methods, these Baffle systems are a possibility for your plant, I'd enjoy setting up a meeting with you and talking through your goals and seeing if this technology is a fit. Well, thank you and have a great day.